Estate planning is really providing your family with a roadmap for what you want to happen when you become incapacitated and eventually when you die. You would never leave your family going to a place in a far off location without GPS. Similarly, you don't want to leave your family in a situation where they don't know what route to take when you become incapacitated and when you die. We all have goals with our estate planning. You need to make sure that you have your full estate plan in place. Your will or trust, your power of attorney, your healthcare power of attorney and living will. You want to make sure that you've looked at your beneficiary designations and how all of your accounts are titled. The key components of your estate are your will or trust, where you'll name who is going to administer your estate and who's going to receive your assets. Your power of attorney, where you'll name someone to help you make financial decisions when you're unable to make them for yourself. Your healthcare power of attorney and living will, where you'll name someone to help you make healthcare decisions when you're incapacitated, and also where you set forth your end-of-life care wishes. Those are the documents, but really important to consider is also beneficiary designations. So who you have named as beneficiaries on maybe your retirement accounts, 401ks, bank accounts, and also how you have your accounts titled. Are they titled jointly? Do you have individual accounts? Do you own real estate? Is it titled jointly or individually? You need to consider all of these things to ensure that your estate plan actually will work the way that you plan for it to work. Estate planning protects your family's future by making sure that the money that you've worked hard for all of your life and the assets that you have grown are able to go to your children or your grandchildren in a meaningful way, where the assets will be protected and you don't have to worry about creditors taking advantage of your children or your grandchildren. You can also ensure that your family values are protected by making sure that you have passed down through your will or your trust the ideals that you want your family to hold on to and to continue for generations to come. In Pennsylvania, you might think that if you die without a will and you're married, that your spouse will inherit your entire estate. But in truth, your spouse will receive the first $30,000 plus one half of the remainder of your estate, and the other half will go down to your children if you have children. So you might intend that your spouse receives everything. That might be what you think is going to happen, but if you don't have a will in place, that isn't exactly what is going to happen. If you've been thinking about estate planning or getting your estate plan in place, we would be happy to talk to you about the importance of doing so. Please call us at Hosel Law.